How to fix find function in Excel not working. In this video I will show you few solution to fix the problem. If that didn't work, merged cells in Excel often interfere with the find function, as it cannot detect content spread across merged areas. If that didn't work, if your workbook is corrupted, the find function may behave abnormally. Repairing the file can resolve these issues. Locate your file, click the drop-down arrow next to the Open button, and select Open and Repair. If that didn't work, issues with the Office installation, such as missing or outdated components, can disrupt Excel's functionality, including the find function. Choose the option for online repair and click Repair. Follow the prompts to finish the process.